5-minute abs for you today. So no excuses, abs in 5 minutes. I'm gonna give you 5 exercises, 1 minute each, and a little break in between. You're gonna be perfect. Abdominals will be on fire. All right, so let's do it. I'm gonna set my timer, and we're gonna start laying down. So get on your back, get ready, because I'm gonna start really fast. Oh, here we go. All right, so alternate toe touches. We're sitting up, and we're reaching for our opposite toe. So this is a little twist through that waistline. That's what you want to find, that little twist. And just breathe. Coming all the way up, touching those toes, and coming down. Find that little twist in the waistline. You really want to reach for your pinky toe. When that timer goes, we're gonna go have 10 seconds to get into the next move, okay? Just keep it going, 1 minute here. Good. Just 15 more seconds, you got this, keep it up. Good, 5 seconds. Good, all right, here we go. Next one's plank taps. We're gonna flip over, and this time we're gonna be facing the floor, okay? So find your plank and little taps. Little taps with your hands. Little taps forward, okay? Lifting up out of those shoulders. Okay, wrists come directly underneath the shoulders. And you wanna control the rock of your body from side to side, okay? Try to stay as center as possible. Keep those toes on the mat. Keep pulling that belly button up and in, and keep lifting between the shoulder blades. Lifting yourself up out of this. Good, looking at the floor, keeping the back line of your neck nice and long. Little taps. Good, you guys. 15 seconds here, keep it up. Little tap forward, doesn't have to be big. Make it tiny. Hold that belly button up and in. All right, guys, knees down. All right, next one is rolling forearm plank. So we're gonna be on our forearms, and we're gonna roll into a plank. Here we go. Rolling to the side, and then coming back down, rolling to the other side. Roll. Good, swivel and open. Good, swivel, lifting up out of that shoulder, holding that core nice and tight. My feet, they help me swivel, okay? That staggered stance, I'm rolling onto the side of my foot and fully opening up. Find a full extension of that arm, lifting up out of your waist, okay? Pull that belly button up and in. Good, 20 seconds. No reason to give up now. You guys got this. Control it. If you have to slow it down, slow it down. I'd rather you work with good form than to speed it up and get sloppy. 10 seconds, you guys. 10 seconds. Keep it up. You got this. Woo, last one. All right, bringing it down. Knees down. All right, next one is gonna be crab toe touches. So, I'm gonna be in a crab position. Here we go. Touch my toe and down. So opposite hand, opposite toes. Okay, I'm lifting up from center, lifting up out of the shoulder that's on the ground. Good, and really reaching for those toes. Good, if you have to, just touch the ankle. You can touch the ankle. Good, but find that little twist through the abdominals. Good, whoop, pop myself my balance there. Plant that foot down on the floor with intention every time. Every time you move with determination and intention. Keep it going. You got this. Still pull my belly button up and in. I'm talking too much. Maybe I should stop talking. Good, you guys. 15 seconds. You got it. Don't give up on me because we just got one more left. Tight toe touches are next. Good, 5 seconds. Nice job, you guys. Sit down. All right, pike toe touches next. So in that plank position is where you're gonna start. Here we go. Alternate hand, alternate toes. So again, finding that diagonal connection through the body, that diagonal sling that runs one shoulder to the opposite waistline. Okay, you want to find that connection in the body. This is how we're going to chisel that waistline down. Keep drawing that belly button up and in. So every time you come up and reach for those toes, I want you to pike the hips using your low belly. Good, you got it. Stay with me. This is it. This is our last exercise. You're almost there. 5 minutes. No problem. Everybody's got time for 5 minutes. Good. Good, last 10 seconds. Keep hiking it up, reaching for those toes. Don't give up on me now. Get those last few out. And knees down. Woo, 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes, no excuses. Do that while you're cooking dinner for the family. Get right down on the kitchen floor and go for it, okay? These are really simple, no equipment needed, just yourself and a little bit of energy. All right, guys, nice job.